How to draw Dark Jonesy from Fortnite Season 8, presented by Learn How to Draw Hub. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of drawing Dark Jonesy today, we're going to begin by drawing the hairline. You can get a little bit crazy with this part because Dark Jonesy has very crazy hair and a lot of sharp edges. I'm going to make my hairline very jagged. So on the right end point of the hairline, we're going to begin to draw a jagged line going down. On the left point of the hairline, we're going to draw a second line that is going down, but this will not be jagged. Now to connect the left hand side to the right hand side, we're going to draw a smaller line on the right hand side to match the length of the left hand side, then we'll connect the two down below. Now in order to close out the empty space on the bottom, we have to connect the left hand side to the right hand side. We're going to do this by drawing the chin. Nicely done. Now we're going to finish drawing the hair. We're going to work our way over all the way from the left hand side to the right. This will look similar to the first line that we made, which will be jagged. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that you stay up to date on all the latest drawing tutorials. A second cool perk would be that you can comment your art request if it's not yet drawn on our channel. All done drawing the hair? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on the left and right hand side of the head, we're going to begin to draw the ears. We're going to use big C-like shapes to draw the ears. On the inside of each ear, for a little bit of detail, we can add a small design, perhaps a line connected to the ear, and then a small line connected to that line. We will also want to make the same design on the right hand side. Now we have to add detail to the inside of the face. For the first step of adding detail to the inside of the face, we're going to begin on the right hand side by drawing the first eyebrow. Each eyebrow will be made very thick. One of the biggest parts of drawing is staying symmetrical, so we're going to do the exact same thing but on the left hand side. Awesome! So far this is coming along very well. Now we're going to begin to draw the eyes. On the right hand side, beneath the eyebrow, we're going to begin to draw the first eye. The shape of each eye will be a sideways oval. Now we have to draw the inside of the eye. We're going to begin by making two C-like shapes, one on the left hand side and one on the right. It will connect from top to bottom. In between these two C-like shapes, we're going to draw a small black dot with a white dot in the center. This will be the pupil. All done. Now a little to the left, we will draw the second eye. Now everyone has goals. It might be in art, sports, or even school. A big goal for me is to Learn How to Draw up to 10,000 subscribers. You can help me reach that goal by hitting the subscribe button if you like the YouTube channel, and liking this video if it helped you out so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. Now in the middle of the eyes, but right below, we're going to draw the nose. The nose will look similar to a U-like shape. Right below the nose, we will draw the lips. To make the lips, we're going to make a shape that will look similar to a watermelon, but with a small U-like shaped dip on the top center. Now underneath of that top line, we're going to connect from the left hand side to the right by using a long U-like shape. To help add in a little bit of a facial expression, you could add in a couple small lines around the mouth. Now on Jonesy's face, he has these long marks on the left and right hand side. Right now we're going to draw those marks. Be sure to pause the video as you need to because this part might be a little bit tricky. We'll draw a second small mark connecting from the eyebrow to the hair. Now we are going to draw the exact same marks but on the left hand side. They will be almost identical in size. I would just have to draw one more small mark connecting from the eyebrow to the hair. At the end of this video, I'm going to show a picture of this drawing colored in so that you can pause it and match your colors. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub, and I can't wait to see you next time. Be sure to give this video a big like if it helped you out today. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.